So hi guys, in today's video we'll be solving Codeforces problem number 1855A. This was also asked in the recent 889 contest as well. So this was the first problem. So this problem states that there are class with n students numbered from 1 to n, and classroom contains n chairs numbered from 1 to n, and student is seated on chair pi. It is guaranteed that pi, p2 till pn is permutation of length n. So a student is said to be happy if his or her number is different from the number of his or her chair. And in order to make all the students happy, Dalton wants to repeatedly perform the operation of swapping two distinct students and their chairs. So he wants to find the minimum number of moves which is required to make all the students happy. So this is quite a simple problem. So it requires input, multiple test cases, and each line consists of n, which is the number of students, and the permutation in which they are sitting. So the algorithm for this would be quite simple. Uh, they have also mentioned few test cases and their outputs. So they have also given the run through of 3 of the 5 test cases up. So moving on to the algorithm and solving through examples. So first we'll calculate the total number of sad students. So a student is said to be sad if its position is same as the position of chair. That is, student at ith position should not be equal to chair at I. So if I am the first student, I can sit anywhere except the first position in the chair. So first we'll calculate the total number of sad students, and if total number of sad students are even, then I can swap those students and print that answer would be just sad number of sad students divided by 2. And if number of sad students are odd, then I would swap the n by 2 students, and I would add +1 for the remaining student which is not at the correct position. So considering these test cases for 2 and 1, as you can see, both of these are not sad, as total number of sads are 0, since 2 is at one position and 1 is at second position. So the answer would be 0 here. For the second case, 1, 2, 3, we can see that 1 is at first position, second is at second position, and third is at third position. It means that all of these three students are sad. And looking at our algorithm, as the number of sad students are equal to odd, the answer would be sad divided by 2 plus 1. And for this case, 1, 2, 4, 3, 2 students are sad. So the answer would be simply just number of sad students divided by 2. So code for this would be such that first we'll take in the number of test cases, then we'll take the number of students while running it in a while loop. Then we will declare a vector of students of n length, since we are given it is n students, and then we will take all the students as input. Then we will keep an answer variable and loop in the students vector to find if student I is not happy. So we'll run this loop. So it will take the complexity of this algorithm is O of n, as it is only running once. One for loop is run for n times, and just will simply check if the answer is divisible by 2 or not, and we will print the answer. So I'll just submit it. So as you can see, my answer gets accepted. So this is the solution for this problem. So thank you for watching. Comment down below which problem you would like to see next, and any other topics which you would like me to cover as well. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.